Hi guys, Andrew here again from Castleknock Hotel. I know it's been a while since I made some cocktails, so today I'm going to make a Castleknock Sour and I look forward to welcoming everyone back to the hotel on the 29th of June. So guys, we've got a hurricane glass here again. So we're going to fill this up with ice, so we're going to keep this nice and chilled. Just up to the top there, fine. Now, we get our Boston shaker again. We've got our egg white, pour in. Like last time with the Hendrix cooler, it's a little dry shake, 8 to 10 seconds. Just creating that nice foamy effect. Now we're going to fill our Boston shaker up with ice. Again, just 3/4 of the way up. Now, raspberry flavoured vodka. We're going to do about 40 ml of that. We've got our Chambord here. So Chambord is a raspberry flavoured liqueur, quite sweet, but refreshing at the same time. 25 ml of that, straight in. I've got some lime juice, another 25 ml. And I've made some raspberry flavoured infused liqueur, so it's got absolute vodka, cranberry juice and a small bit of strawberry puree. 50 ml of that. And we're ready to shake and pour. Now this is called a Castleknock Sour because it is quite sour. Very similar to a whiskey sour, but it's got some vodka in it. You'll see the nice red flavour here, red colour. Perfect. Now, get 2 nice straws. Again, you can choose your garnish if you want. Usually a strawberry, I'd say, or a raspberry, obviously matching the colour. And we're there, nice and poured to serve, and ready to drink. Cheers guys, once again we'll see you on the 29th of June and we can taste some of these beautiful cocktails.